in this video. Bitcoin is right now getting rejected exactly at the major resistance that we have been mentioning. But the question is, what is happening now with our trades and what is the next move with the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So di ba sa previous analysis, we were seeing Bitcoin playing around the 93,000 US dollar area. And di ba, as what I've been mentioning to you guys, this area is actually a very crucial resistance area because the previous times we have seen Bitcoin get rejected at this major resistance area. And that's why I've told you guys na I've opened a short position at around this area following this daily time frame bearish stochastic RSI cross as well. So right now, as you can see, with those things in mind, we have now actually seen a rejection dito kay Bitcoin, and as you can see, we have gone down immediately dito and exactly as predicted. So congratulations if you were able to take advantage of this trade, and we have seen 90,000 play out exactly as predicted. And but take note, we have mentioned two specific targets. So the first target is going to be the 90,000 US dollars, which we have met exactly following this this consistent support resistance area. So itong area na to. Previously, this has been acting as a support, then it also acted as a resistance. So right now, it's looked like it's going to act as a support with the 90,000 US dollar area. And the other thing that we mentioned is we have to also watch out the 88 or 87,000 US dollars, kasi this has also been another support area wherein we can actually watch for Bitcoin to play out. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, the moment na ma-break natin si 90K, then i-continue natin yung trade natin up until the 88 or 87,000 US dollars. Now, the question is what is now happening with our Bitcoin trade? So, right now, I took initial profits at the 90,000 US dollar area. So, nakapag-take ako ng partial profits. But yung stop loss ko, initially what was around at 95, then naging 93. And then ginawa ko siya around 91.6 or 91.5. So, right now, na-hit na yung stop loss ko. Actually, hindi siya top stop loss. Trail stop na siya. Kasi if na-close na siya ngayon, I am definitely in profits kasi entry price ko was way above here. So, either way, if mahit yung trail stop ko, I am already in profits. Mahit yung mahit yung next target, then I am also still in profits. So, either way, kahit anong mangyari, I am in profits with any of those move. So, right now, ano ba yung ine-expect ko ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price action? So, to understand that, let's look at this in the hourly time frame kasi dito kay hourly time frame, you will find na we might start to form another support and resistance area kasi as you can see, dito in the previous Bitcoin movement, we have seen a crucial resistance area dito. So right now it looks like it's going to form another consolidation area dito. So ayun, previously we have seen a resistance, another resistance, resistance, and then another resistance. So it looks like na magko-consolidate tayo dito further muna with the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, ako personally, aabangan ko na muna to not unless we see a breakout dito sa support area. If magkaroon tayo ng candle close dito below the 90,000 US dollars, a solid hourly and 4-hour candle time frame candle close, then I will open another short-term short position targeting itong 87,800 US dollars. And right now, wala since hindi pa natin nakita, naaabangan ko muna yon. You can also still trade naman itong consolidation movement na to, yung bounce nito dito around the support and resistance area. This one, yung bounce na yung sinasabi ko dito. But ako personally, I won't be trading this. Hindi ko siya ito-trade kasi I don't actually have the time to actually trade that and monitor yung mga support resistance kasi it's more likely that you have to follow dito
within the 15-minute time frame, and that is a much smaller time frame. While it is also still possible, I won't be doing this kasi medyo gipit yan sa oras ko. Of course, I'm also busy then with other things outside crypto. But yeah, you can still trade that, guys. And if you want to trade that, guys, make sure to trade that, guys, with Wix. Kasi dito kay Wix, you can open multiple Bitcoin trades all at once. So, hindi nyo kailangan ng VPN dito. So, if you want to take advantage of this, meron din tayong US dollar bonus dito with Wix. So, if you don't have an account with them, make sure to use our sign up link, which you can find in the description down below. But ayun, going back dito, it looks like we're going to have a consolidation dito. Looking at the daily time frame, you will find in the stochastic RSI, we are still in a downtrend. However, it looks like na magkakaroon siya ng momentum to somewhat consolidate dito. But still, generally, it is still in a downtrend. So, in this case, if let's say mag-consolidate to dito further, baka mag-reset lang yung stochastic RSI, meaning sa reset, magko-consolidate lang siya dyan, at the same time, bumagsak na si stochastic RSI. So, in that case, hindi na furthermore mako-continue yung downtrend. But, yeah, let's see within the upcoming days, kasi as you can see, may crucial support and resistance area na nag-form ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price action. So, I guess yun lang muna update natin for the time being. I won't be opening any new trades as of the moment. I'll be waiting out for the next indicators to form. And yun, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.